am I excited at all the work I'm going to get done today. Today we are cooking down, or starting to cook down, some plums for some plum preserves. And I had bought a deep skillet at the thrift store, and it was full of crud, so I sandblasted it, and now I'm re-seasoning it with bacon grease. And I bought 2 large or medium-sized butternut squash. So I peeled, chopped up, loaded into jars. I think it's a total of 12 jars. And I blanched them in hot water first, then packed them into the jars, and now I'm canning them in my Instapot for the 55 minutes required. So it actually takes probably an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes to do the Instant Pot. But I'm so excited!